Pulling up to the Illiminate Airbnb. I already see all their cars. Oh, Thomas.
Look at that stand.
I've missed you guys.
Really? I was walking out of the house like, when's Randy gonna be here?
Damn,
Dude,
Tony's
we're
car
gonna be here
bagged.
for like
He ripped his lip off.
I know, he ran over something. What did he run over?
So Christian hit like a possum and then went under, and then Kaz hit it and Kaz's lip broke. And then hits Tony's car and Tony's breaks apart, and then Tony's lip flew back and hit hella people's cars. Like I think it hit Andrew's car too.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So let's go back in the house.
Hella sad, but like he has extra lip, but I mean like
It's not on the car.
he's sad because like you're going to a car show and
Yeah, and that happened. Damn, and it hit all their cars?
yeah, like everyone went through like some shit.
Sad.
No.
And then one day I was just like, my car's at home safe.
I know, right?
Camper now.
Oh shit. Yo, another long drive, hour and a half, but we finally made it. Check out the house. All the homies are here. Oh, that's what happened. Fuck. That sucks. But I guess it's not that bad. What's up, Arlen? What's up?
Dude, that possum came out of nowhere.
What's up, guys? You guys fucking tired or what?
Ah, fuck yes.
Sleep talking?
Hey, go look at the boys.
Where's everyone else at? Let me see.
Christian's downstairs.
Dude, there's hella rooms in this bitch.
Oh, that's the bathroom.
Oh, who is that? Oh, it's Luke.
We need to find some toilet paper. There's no more.
Don't touch me.
Oh. Hi guys, I'm finally here. Yo, I miss my friends. Huh? Oh, that's my bed? Sick, I'm finally here. Oh! Finally get to see the GTR today, dude. Ay-ya! Oh. Damn, these guys are all fucking exhausted. They drove overnight. You guys started, what time did you guys leave San Jose? 1?
Yeah, 1.
What time did you guys get here?
7.
Stupid. No,
Everyone's awake now.
my car's at home safe.
Dude, I ate Tony's lip.
Oh, did you?
Oh, you hit it?
No, cause
Everyone did, fool. Like,
we hit the possum.
we hella dodged that shit, fool. Like, we saw something white in the air. Like, whoa, we just
We hit the possum, right? And I was so shocked. What the fuck did I just hit? Mac fucking hit that shit too. So I look at him and I look up and fucking white fucking shit flew my fucking.
Boy, Tony lost his lip, bro. That shit cracked and everywhere, dude.
Sunday! Sunday! Oh, I grabbed it like really hard, my bad. Where have you been on my bucket? Where you been on my bucket life, bitch?
What the fuck?
How's the drive?
You didn't drive.
Oh, you didn't drive? Oh, and you're fucking still sleeping. How was the drive, Christian?
It was lit.
Like, your foot's like touching my dick, dude.
What's your record?
We fucking ran it so many times, bro. Me and Janibert were fucking going back and forth. And then next up, we inspired Kaz and Kevin. They were running it. Kaz lost his car to Kevin, and then Mac fucking red, dude. It was lit, bro.
It was lit.
You have to watch the vlog, bro.
Yeah, I saw you guys' story.
Hella fucking cool.
Tony ripped his front lip, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Your bumper's okay, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, so that's all that matters?
Yep.
Guys. I don't think you guys recognize this person, but...
What are those?
Damn, what do you guys think? Honestly, I think I dig this hair a lot better.
Hell yeah. Hell, put me on blast and shit.
Let me know what you guys think about his haircut down in the comments. Oh, what the fuck? Just deep throated that toothbrush hella quick.
Kaz Luke?
He's gonna double.
Hey, how was it? How was it? Yo, why is everybody rocking Illiminate? I'm gonna start a new trend, guys. We're starting a new trend out here. Half jackets because I can only afford half of it. But it looks half as good.
Babe, what are you doing?
Go back to the kitchen. The fuck? Yeah. Know where you belong, alright?
I'm just kidding. Now you know how he treats his girlfriend. I'm just kidding. Hey, we know where he does to Jessica now.
Huh? She cook, I fix. Look alive, look alive. Oh, 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 oh. Do the hey! One hand, no legs. Oh.
Fortnite dance, yeah, Fortnite, let's go. All right, time to head to Top Rank. Let's go get started on the GTR. Yo, what's up everybody? We just made it to Top Rank. If you guys don't know what Top Rank is where dreams happen. This was where my dream was made. This was where I bought my dream car, the R32 GTR. Let me show you guys around and see a little bit of what they have. Boom, right-hand drive everything here. I know you guys already noticed the R34. This is their race car. We were talking to Sean the other day and he was telling us all about this. Super expensive. R32 GTR, who wants it? Come and get it. Right-hand drive Civics. More GTRs, RX-7s, STIs. They got everything here. I think this is like my favorite color in the GTR. I wish this was California legal so that I could have picked it up, but it's not so. I know a lot of you guys watching probably can't afford one now, but they do financing, so it makes it that much easier to achieve your dream car, even if you're not able to purchase one now. If any of these are actually your dream cars, you know you guys are gonna come back in the future and purchase it anyways. So I knew that I wanted an R32 GTR. Worked my ass off and found this place. Here at Top Rank, they can get it California legal for you too. All you Californians know that it's super hard to get a GTR California legal. And they know how to do that and they'll handle everything here for you. I guess time to help Luke with whatever I can, and then once the GTR is here, let's get started. Look at this monster truck. It's all slammed in the rears. Let's get started, guys. So today I got Sean helping me out, Robert and David helping us out. Gonna take a long time, but fingers crossed, hopefully we get it ready in time. Doing air suspension on this, it's gonna take a while. What's up, Yaska? Long time no see?
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you, made it.
Alright.
This is it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're gonna get started. I don't know, I'll update you guys as we go. All the PBM arms are going on. Shout out to Part Shop Max. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna ask the GTR expert right here. What's going on, Sean?
We are crashing to get this car done. So, you know, I was planning on sleeping today, so like the faster we get this done, the sooner we can sleep. But it's not the first nor the last time that I will ever be working on a GTR late.
Oh yeah. One thing off. These guys are quick. Got the HKS downpipe on already.
Yep.
That's teamwork right there. We got Top Rank working together to get this thing fucking done.
And we got Ernie. Yeah. You don't know who Ernie is, do you? Ernie right here. Who's Ernie?
Different generation.
Different generation. See, he doesn't know who Ernie is. You know something called Formula Drift? Okay, so, you know, when the Formula Drift started, there's 3 judges, right?
Uh-huh.
Well, guess who Ernie is?
One of the 3 judges.
He's one of the 3 judges. Here you go. You know when there was D1 versus Japan?
Yeah.
The original drifting in the U.S. The only American to advance into the secondary rounds.
This man over here, eh?
He's the only guy to you know, go up against the Japanese here.
No way.
Yep. He has a R33 GTST drift car.
Oh.
We just we tuned it last weekend, and we're getting ready to hopefully go out to the track April 5th.
Sick. All right, Luke, what's going on here?
Putting door bags on your coils.
How's the install?
Easy.
Fairly easy, right? I didn't see any of this, so sick. Cool. Luke's gonna be throwing this on. Tomei is about to be on right now. Ernie's killing it right now. The exhaust looks amazing. Whoa! We're getting a little show for you guys right now. Oh, I'm gonna get demonetized. All right, guys, if I get demonetized after this, I'm so sorry. Sorry you guys had to see that. I'm just kidding. All the PBM arms are on and tight. Tomei is on as well. Let's start this thing up and hear it for the first time. These guys are tight as fuck. Ooh, Takeshi has got a Hako. Is it for real though? Are you guys fucking with me? Or he really does. So it's that red one that you sent me, right? I'm actually gonna post it on this clip right here. His car is so sick. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Who's gonna start this up? Who wants to do the honors? I got it. All right, let's go, Robert. Let's go. Let's hear this for the first time. I'm excited. Okay guys, so we are testing out the fitment right now and the wheels look amazing. The rears tuck about 2 inches, but we're having a problem with the front. Luke, you want to explain what is going on?
The damper is physically too long, so the shock bottoms out before the car's as low as it can go. We have tons of room on every suspension component before it touches anything, and the bag's not even compressed yet. So, shitty situation. There's no point in having the rear tuck 2 inches of wheel and the front having 2 inches of wheel gap when we can just leave it static and it'll look tight.
And it's also 1 in the morning and these guys are here to help us and I don't want them to stay all night either. Going coilovers is probably the best thing and easiest thing to do, and it's gonna be better on everybody. I really wanted to have this thing on bags for you guys, but I really do apologize. But you know, cars, it never goes exactly the way you want it to, so let's just throw the coilovers on, let's put the springs back on and go from there because we still need to do an alignment. There's no alignment rack here, so we're gonna have to do it by eye. And San Bernardino is an hour and a half away from here, so exhaust sounds amazing though. Let me know what you guys think about the exhaust down in the comments below. I just want to drive this thing, I want to go home and sleep. I'm exhausted. And we're still gonna be here for probably another couple hours. But you know what? The GTR is back and it looks amazing. I wish I recorded when we got the rears tucking.
Wait, I can show you the rear.
Oh, Luke wants to show you guys the rear. So you know what? Since we're supposed to bag it, we're gonna give you guys a little sneak peek on the rear fitment on the GTR. You guys are gonna love it. All right, Luke, hit it. Let's see how close this is.
Show how tight it is right there.
Look at this. Look how tight that is, and it clears perfect. Look at that. That looks so fucking good.
So this will be like that.
Barely clears. All right, guys. All the older guys are going home. Want to thank them so much for their help. They fucking hate me because I'm doing this to the car, but you know what?
Yeah, all us old guys. Yeah.
Oh well, he's not that old. Like 40 something. Well, actually, now 40 something. You're old.
I'm older than.
I'm just
like,
kidding.
he's the oldest.
Yeah, Takeshi's the oldest.
He's got the coolest car though. So.
How old do you think he is? 75.
Like 70. He's Asian. Little update, guys. 2:30 right now. Luke is tightening all of the arms. And we're just gonna start doing things to fucking make it quicker. So we're gonna start loading up all the stuff we need to in the rental car. Damn, we're about to drop this thing.
Really?
It looks
looks
fucking crazy. Let's see how it looks. I know, me too. Man, the Z32 fronts suck ass. Why Nissan? I can't wait to just drive this thing. I'm so tired.
We'll get your exhaust.
Huh? How low's the exhaust? I don't.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's nothing.
Is that gonna hit the diff?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, leaving the driveway might suck.
Dude, these guys are the fucking shit right now. Staying with us all night. Yo, you guys ready for this? Luke, thank you very much.
We're not done yet.
We're not done yet, but Robert, thank you very much. David,
No problem.
thank you. Watch, ready for this shit, guys?
It's almost still too low.
It's not as low as I'd like it, but it'll have to do. It looks a lot better. Yo, this looks fucking tight. Oh, dude. Not aired out, but oh my god, this looks fucking insane. Yo, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. This fucking Ricer fuckboy for life. I almost touched that. Look at this. Yo, oh my god, is this really my fucking car right now? I got the Tomei on. Look at that. Holy shit. This looks insane. Okay, we're exhausted, so...
Tow and go.
Yes, tow and go. Yes, everything is done. Yo, Luke, thank you so much. Fucking killed it, bro. Fucking, oh my god. David, thank you very much, man.
Yep.
Robert, fuck yeah, thanks for helping us out, man.
No problem.
Yo, these guys are so fucking cool, man. We're just talking, hanging out all night. Huge shout out to One Stop Body Shop. They made the car look amazing. Anything that was wrong with the body or any like dents or anything, they took care of that. And they got it done in time. Ooh, check this out. I even had them roll my fender and it's so flat. I've never felt a fender so flat in my life. If you guys are down in SoCal and you guys need some body work done, hit them up.
Thank you to Status Automotive for the air ride parts that we needed, even though we didn't end up using them. If you're in SoCal and you need air ride or install, hit him up.
Sort of bummed that we're not gonna be bagging it today. But you know what, honestly, I think this looks pretty fucking good right now. Huge shout out to Airlift for the sponsorship. Really excited to rock you guys' stuff, but we're gonna be installing that in another day. Shout out to Drift Cave for all the Part Shop Max stuff. Shout out to Matt and Chow. Thank you guys so much. And most importantly, thank you, Top Rank. Look at this, we get to work in a fucking shop with a lot of people's fucking dream cars. That is fucking insane. We got an hour and a half drive back, so we're gonna end the video here, guys. If you guys like how the GTR look, be sure to drop a fat ass like. This thing looks so beautiful and I'm so happy. One last look before we go home. If you guys enjoyed today's video or you guys are a fan of the GTR, please hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys at Tune in Tokyo.